Hi guys, you're welcome in the Zapatech. Um, in the previous video, I have shown you things about the text view color change and the blink hide. And now in this video, I'm going to tell you about the calculator. You can make a simple calculator in the Android app using a render phone. So like the previous one, we'll open the app and we'll go back an app project, and what we'll do is we'll create a new project we'll name it calculator. Okay, now this is the design panel, design, and this one I think this is from the broken to. Okay, this, let's close it. Yes, now what we should do is first of all delete the layout because I don't find good in with the linear layout. I am very familiar with the relative layout, so I use relative layout here. So what we'll do is we'll make a large text and we'll keep this in the middle. This video is going to be long, I think. Large text, and we'll give this name to result. Okay, so now below this, add below, we'll make a text field that is of number. Okay, now we'll make this width maybe up to 100. Okay, now we'll give a hint that first number and add below, and we'll give another text field. Okay, now we'll assign this to the right side of the, and we'll make this width 92. Okay, and we'll give this hint, we'll give a hint to second one. Okay, now we'll see what there is no more panel, and below this, add below, we'll make 4 check boxes. First of all, design how you want to design, but I am doing the check boxes. Okay, this first one is for, we'll give a text. Add. Okay, I'll skip this part. I'll add up 4 check boxes. You can make it bold also. Wait. Text style to bold. You can do simply. What you should do is simply you can copy this. Copy this one and paste here. And right here add to. Likewise, you can add multiply. Oh, there is a spelling mistake. Okay, don't forget to assign the IDs here. This is for add, this is for. Okay, I have made the 4 things here. So what we should do is we should make the layout parental right. No, you should use layout parental right to true. Okay, divide will go there. Now what you should do is layout margin right and make it to 59. What? You can make center horizontal. And this one 59, you should make it to 100. what you can do is what will do 170. It is not moving from here. Okay, instead of right, you should lead left, I think. Okay, now it is running fine, I think. Here also layout merit left to 22. Okay, now it is fine. Add, multiply, subtract, divide. Okay, now and we should make a below and give margin top to 20 and make it in the center horizontal true, and make the text that is calculate. Okay, now we should assign an on-click method here. On-click method is CLC calc. Okay, now first of all we should make it hidden, invisible. Okay, now we have finished the design part. Now what we'll go to the design and declare everything what we wrote here. So what, first of all we will declare the check boxes. Checkbox A, comma B, comma C, comma D. Here generally A means the checkbox, I think. Import. A means addition, B means subtraction, C means multiplication, and D means divide. Okay, now you have to declare the result also. So result is text view, so we'll declare text view and we'll make it E, and we'll make a connection between the design panel and the Java from here. So what we'll do is find view id r.id dot add, and B is equal to find r.id dot B is for subtraction, and C find view id r.id dot multiplication, and D find view id dot r.id dot divide. Okay, everything is done. Now we have to enter the cast here. Okay, now all the text boxes has been declared. Now we have to declare the text view also from here. Text view is equal to find view by id r.id dot. Okay, I have not given the value here, I think. Which one is it on? Text view, main text view. I have given here main text view, so main text view, and we have to assign the value to edit text also. F comma G edit text. Okay, let's declare the value. We'll make this to first, and we'll make this to second. Now we'll declare here f is equal to find view id r.id dot what is your first, and G is equal to find view id r.id dot second. Okay, now we have successfully declared all the things. Now what we'll do is we'll go to public void calc Okay, now if a dot is checked, if a is checked means addition, else if b is checked then subtraction, else if c is checked then c is checked then multiplication, else it is automatically d. So if a is checked then the okay, for result what I have given that it is e dot set text fng f dot get text. Basically it is integer value, so what we should do is integer dot parseInt. This is used to assign the value from there are two type of value, I think, that is string and integer. So string cannot be added, so we have to convert it to the integer. So for this we will do this plus integer dot parseInt g, and both are integers. Now we cannot set the text, so what we will do is integer dot to string. This is used to convert the integer to string. F dot get text dot to string, g dot get text dot to string. There are okay. Now addition is completed. Likewise you should do for everything. E dot set text. So to save our time we can do like this: int ca is equal to integer dot parseInt, that is f dot get text dot to string, and we'll add another cb is equal to integer dot parseInt g dot get text dot to string. Okay, now what we'll do is e dot set text integer dot to string. Now what we'll do is ca minus cb. Okay, likewise we will do here e dot set text integer dot to string c a into cb. There I missed. And at last e dot set text integer to string ca divided by cb. Okay, everything is finished. So now play and see what happens. Okay, it is installed. It is installing. Open. And what we'll do is 5 plus 6, and we will add result. It is not showing because the result is hidden. So what we'll do is we'll make it what the result. E dot set visibility to view dot visible. In the previous video I have seen. Now I'll skip this one. Now you can see 5 plus 6 addition, then 11. If multiply then 30. If subtract then minus 1. If divide, then 0. Okay, now but this is not going when you click the calculator. So for this, what we should do is we should make the things like first of all this at last, because the value can be changed. So at last we should do that e not e f dot set text to empty and g dot set text to null. I think it is integer value, so we have to use a null. Let's see. Okay, now 5 and 6 add then 11, and but if you write a multiply also, okay, there is a error. So first of all, what we should do is if f dot get text dot wait if f dot get text dot to string is equal to null, or g dot, this double line is used for all, or text get, I am not written get text is equal to null, else the code will be executed. So we'll add more here. Okay, so now we'll make a toast here. Make text get application context, please enter value, comma, we'll make this for 1000 dot so. Okay, now you can see. Okay, there is again error. I think it should be equals to, because it is text. Okay, please enter the value. You have seen here, please enter the value, but there is again one error. You can see it. If you write here 5 6 and we can tick all the thing, so this is not good. So what we should do is we can do one thing that so here we'll use else if ca dot not ca a dot eject and then b dot eject and then c dot eject and then d dot. If all is checked, then we'll paste it here also. Please tick only one, and after the addition we shall make a dot set checked false, b dot set checked false, c dot set checked false, and d dot set check false. Okay, now let's run the app and see. Okay, 2 plus 3. When operation is done, then it is unchecked. 1. Okay guys, this much for today. I hope you understood the Android programming that is given by me. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel.